Hello everybody, it's Totvis from New Edibox, and welcome guys to your 15th HTML5 tutorial. Now guys, for those of you who follow my tutorials, you know that I'm introducing you gradually to all the functional and useful tags in HTML5 and how you can apply them and use them practically on in your website building techniques. So guys, now during this tutorial I'm going to introduce you to 4 more tags in HTML5 that I think are very useful to know, and you can apply them easily in your website building everyday practices or techniques. Okay guys, so one of the first tags that I want to introduce you today is the line break tag. For those of you who follow my tutorials, you perfectly know what the line break is, but let's just go ahead and introduce it and emphasize it once again. This okay, so I'm gonna use it in a sentence. This line should break here, and let's enter the line break. Here we go. Now guys, it's a very simple concept and a very simple tag to use, so there you go. You can see that the result is displayed on the screen, and that's how you do the line break, but it's quite a common and very well known tag. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and build one more thing that I want to introduce to you today. And that tag guys is the button tag. Now guys, button tag is quite obvious what it's used for. It's used for building a simple basic button in HTML5. And button tag is quite a neat one if you need to build some sort of a functionality in your site. Now guys, I'm gonna only introduce you to the technique how the button is built, but I'm not gonna go into the functionality of it because it includes part of a JavaScript that I will want to introduce to you in my JavaScript tutorials. So let's go ahead and build only this. Now what I'm building guys, I'm building a button that will display this exact message that I've typed in after we click it. So let's go ahead and see what do we get, and we have to still tell our browser what to display on the button itself. So let's put in the closing tag for a button, and now our button is ready guys. So let's go ahead and run it on the screen and see what we get. There you go guys, so you can see that we have a basic button with a message that we've typed in our code, and let's go ahead and click it. Now guys, you see that we get the message, welcome to New Edibox. Okay, and we can do that continually. Okay guys, so you see now you know how to build a simple and very basic button and how to enter the message that should pop up once you click the button, and of course how to name the button itself. So guys, that's about it for a button subject and the button tag. Now the next tag that I want to introduce to you guys during this tutorial is the caption tag, in fact. And the caption tag guys is used for building the tables. Now for those of you who have been following my HTML4 tutorials, you know how the tables are built and what tags are used in table building techniques. But anyhow, I'm gonna show you guys how to build it, and in case if you want to dig into the table tag deeper, just follow the HTML5 tutorials, because I'm gonna cover this the table subject as well. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and build a simple and basic table that will have parameters of border thickness 1, then caption, the tag that I want to introduce during this tutorial. Let's say juicy fruits, just like chewing gum. That will be the caption of our table. And now let's go ahead guys and build the table. You know that we have to open the table with table row and then given table data, because table has to have the table data, and table data stands for columns. Okay, so let it be an apple. Let's copy this line and make one more column in the first row, which will be orange, and let's close the tag for first row. Let's go ahead and copy the entire row, paste it in to have the second one, and let's pear and a peach will be the second values in the second line. And now guys, one more thing that I want to what I want to build, in fact guys, is I will build the table header. And for those of you guys who followed my tutorial for HTML4, you know that table header is built with th tag, and that stands for table header. So let's put it, since the caption was juicy fruits, let's say that it's fruit, and the second header should be juicy. Well, I'm having problems with my imagination today, so I'm not gonna try too hard. So let's go ahead and refresh the site, and you see guys that the caption for table is used above the table, which says juicy fruits and then fruit and juicy. So fruit, apple, pear, and juicy, orange and peach. Okay guys, so that's the principle how and where you would use a caption, because caption is supported by all major browsers first of all, and it defines a table caption guys. So that's the most important message for a caption tag. Okay guys, I can see that I still have a little bit of time on my watch for this tutorial. And guys, what I want to build next and show you next in this tutorial, that is, I want to show you guys how to build a site. And by site I mean that site text stands for citation for name of a work, of artwork or music or whatever that would be. So in order for you guys to see what I mean, let's just go ahead and build the thing, and you will see what I mean by that. Now for this one guys, I'm gonna need a simple thing, and that thing is an image. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use an image that I have on my okay, just a second, I'm gonna get the name of the image. Okay, so I have an image name guys, and that image will be desert, the one that I've used in my previous tutorial. And let's set the properties of height and width for our image, 100, and let's put the alternative text that should be displayed in case our browser doesn't recognize the image itself. Okay guys, so now where the cite otherwise would be used is right here. Is that the desert, it will be quoted, well, not quoted, but displayed a little bit differently from the rest of the text, and by Microsoft Windows. I think that's the author. Taken in say 2010, right? And let's close the paragraph, guys, and then we'll see. Okay, that's about it. We're done, and let's go ahead and run it. There you go, guys. You can see the picture itself and the site that I've mentioned, the citation of the name, and well, cite tag is basically used to emphasize and italicize a part of a text that you want to be a name or well, you can see the result what it's used for. Okay, guys, so I can see that I'm a little bit over 11 minutes for this tutorial, so thanks for sticking with me, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like the video, and I will see you in the next one.